Have you ever landed on a website and struggled to understand what the company does? Scrolling through slick graphics and buzzwords? You just want to ask a simple question like, what do you do, or how much does it cost? This frustration is common because most websites are built for presentation, not interaction. This is where Ubot comes in. It's a platform designed to transform your static website into an intelligent, interactive conversation. Ubot is more than just another chatbot widget. It's a dynamic, customizable AI assistant that can genuinely answer customer questions, guide them, and even take actions for your business, all without you needing to write a single line of code. Our goal is to give you a shortcut to understanding how a powerful chatbot can bring measurable value to your business. Clarity for your users and control for you, all using cutting-edge AI. Ubot is built on 4 powerful interconnected pillars: the knowledge base, graph flow logic, tool integration, and branding. These aren't just features, they are the foundation for creating sophisticated custom chatbots. Pillar 1, the knowledge base, the bot's brain. The first pillar is the knowledge base, which is essentially your bot's brain. It's the central repository for all the information your bot needs to answer questions accurately. You can populate this knowledge base in several flexible ways. Website crawling. This is the most convenient method. Just provide a URL and Ubot will automatically crawl the site, extract the content, and build its knowledge index. In this example, we'll crawl the Oxford website using its sitemap. You'll see how easy it is to add the site's URL, click play, and within seconds, watch the knowledge base automatically populate with pages from the website. You can also manually add specific question and answer pairs to fine-tune your bot's responses. Here's how simple it is. 1. Click New Q&A. 2. Enter your question and answer. 3. Click Save. 4. Click Build Index to make your changes live. To verify that your new content is working, simply go to the Search tab and test your question. You'll see the bot can now find and use your new information. You can also add plain text for simple, direct information. Whenever you add or edit information, you manually trigger an index rebuild. This save and update process ensures you decide exactly when changes go live. But how does it use this information intelligently? Ubot uses vector similarity search, which means it understands the meaning and intent behind a question, not just keywords. It finds the most conceptually similar answers, even if the wording is completely different. This semantic understanding allows the bot to provide natural, helpful, and in-context answers. Ubot allows you to create and manage multiple separate knowledge bases. You can have one for sales, one for tech support, and another for internal HR policies. You can then assign these specific knowledge bases to different conversation flows, or even to individual steps within a flow, ensuring the bot's answers are always relevant and targeted. The bot's thinking process. If the knowledge base is the brain, the graph flow is how the bot thinks. This is the heart of conversation design in Ubot. It's a visual system that lets you map out the conversation's path and decision points, like a superpowered flowchart. What makes it truly innovative is that you don't have to manually draw this flowchart. You simply describe the conversation you want in plain English to an AI assistant built right into Ubot. For example, you could say, I want to ask for the user's name, then their email, and if they provide it, say thank you. The AI generates the underlying code, a mermaid chart, which instantly appears as a visual graph. This creates a seamless, iterative loop. Describe. Explain the flow in plain English. Generate. The AI creates the visual graph. Simulate. Test the conversation in a built-in simulation mode. Refine. Tweak the flow by describing changes to the AI. This process democratizes AI design, allowing product managers, marketers, and business owners, the people who know the business processes best, to build sophisticated bot logic without writing code. The graph system offers several key benefits. Decomposes complexity. Breaks down large, messy conversations into small, manageable steps called nodes. Contextual control. Each node has its own specific goal, instructions, and, critically, its own set of permitted tools. This keeps the AI laser-focused and prevents it from going off topic or performing unauthorized actions. Directed guidance. The visual map ensures the AI follows a predictable, reliable path, building user trust. Nodes themselves are versatile. They can send messages, ask questions, run tools, access knowledge bases, and define branching logic, the if this then that part of the conversation. For example, You can easily add a node that asks users if they want to upload an image, then create a branch that leads to another node equipped with an image upload tool. This demonstrates how simple it is to build interactive, multi-step workflows that respond to user choices. You can also set an overarching system prompt to define the bot's overall personality, e.g., be friendly and helpful, while using node-specific instructions to enforce strict rules at critical steps, e.g., you must collect an email address here. The graph can handle complex navigation like skipping steps, looping back on invalid input, and even jumping to entirely different specialized flows and returning. Tool integration, the bot's ability to act. Tools are what transform your Ubot from a talker into a doer. They allow the bot to perform real actions, turning it into an automation engine. There are two main types of tools. Client-side tools. These actions happen in the user's browser, like asking a user to upload an image or presenting clickable buttons for quick choices. API tools. These are the workhorses. They let your Ubot connect securely to your backend systems, your CRM, database, email system, etc. The bot can create a new lead, check an order status, or send a confirmation email, bridging the gap between conversation and your business operations. For security, tools must be explicitly assigned to specific nodes, preventing unintended actions through granular control. Creating custom API tools is code-free. Simply define the name, description, endpoint, and parameters. For legacy system integrations, platforms like Make.com or Zapier serve as universal translators. Branding, the bot's personality and appearance. Finally, your Ubot needs to look and feel like it belongs to your brand. Ubot gives you full control over its visual appearance and conversational style. Visual branding. In a simple interface with a live preview, you can customize colors to match your brand guide, upload your logo as the avatar, and change the placeholder text in the input box. This consistency builds trust, reinforces your brand identity, and makes the entire experience feel professional and cohesive. Conclusion. Ubot's power lies in making sophisticated AI accessible to non-programmers. It empowers the people who understand the business to directly translate their knowledge into a functional, intelligent agent. This enables a more fundamental shift. Instead of hunting for links, users can simply ask for what they need, and the bot provides the information on demand. Ubot is a complete integrated development environment for conversational AI. It handles prompt engineering, flow management, tool connections testing, and branding in one platform. It turns the abstract idea of AI into something concrete you can see, shape, and deploy to create real business value. What part of your customer journey could be fundamentally improved with an intelligent assistant? Whether it's automating FAQs, qualifying leads, or offering personalized recommendations, the power to transform your website into an interactive hub is here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit us at ubot.live. Thanks.